are.
Awesome.
Tallowa Dam, doing a one-day canoeing trip up to Fossica's Flat. 1 day back, 1 day up. 2 days, yes.
And you've got your girlfriend doing all the work?
She keeps stopping for some reason.
Want to go for it?
No, you.
Man overboard!
Okay, yeah, we've got a GoPro on the back of the canoe, so I'm going to splice this in.
Oh, that'll be clever. I'll make sure you get some of that for you up there.
Haven't seen any wildlife yet.
And Carlo's going to climb up there later.
Yeah, I've got some abseiling rope and I thought I might free climb up first and then abseil down. Or maybe even base jump, but Julian doesn't want me to for some reason. It's so stuffy. You can see the 2019 fires had a major effect on this gorge. A lot of these trees are just coming back. It was closed for about 12 months until November the 2nd, 2020. They've just reopened it, so only a few canoes that have just come in and had a good look of what the fires did. It's amazing, you know, all the foliage has been like ripped away like in a hurricane. Now, okay, I'll get back to you. Okay, we're coming up to some campers, and the gorge is starting to open up a bit. We just had lunch. We've been on the water for about 2 hours now, and yeah, it's a hot day. It's about 30 degrees. Well, headwinds going down to a still breeze, and yeah. Oh, what?
Makes it even hotter.
Yeah. So we're just relying on the water to keep us cool and drinking plenty of fluids, and just coming up to some camping spots. So we've found that we've had a really hard time finding to land the canoe because the river's so high. This time of year we've had about 2.5 weeks of torrential rain, so you know, there's plenty of wildlife and fish life in the ocean, in the river. Okay, not enough of me. Here we are, checking out some camping spots here. We've got a few canoers already camped up. They're having a bit of a swim, and we want to stay clear of them. We don't want to get too close, invade other people's personal space, that kind of thing. That looks like a nice camping spot there. You know, we're told because of the high water that camping spots are pretty hard to find. But I just think they've really overrated the camping spots in general with the flat ground that's available along the river. You know, there is camping, but it's like 3-man tent kind of camping, 1 or 2 people, and that's about it. You know, you wouldn't be able to fit any more than that. But we'll keep going. You know, we've been on the water 2.5 hours, and we're having a ball. You can come out now. Don't get too deep. We'll pull the canoe up. Check out this camping spot, see if there's any flat ground. Just right up there was a creek inlet, and we found one, and this could be a nice spot to camp.
We we can always camp and we can always go for a paddle up the river this afternoon. We don't have to just stop. But we can
we can just stop and have a look further.
Well, no, we could just decide we're staying here and just go for a look.
You know, I think this is about the best we're going to get here.
Yeah, it's pretty good actually.
You know, we've got the place to ourselves.
Yeah, because they'll go.
Yeah.
They're far enough up the next bit.
And we've got room to walk around, and we're in the shade.
Yeah.
You know, we're not being boiled alive by the sun.
Yeah, I think Bossy's back's a bit adventurous for us in the first trip. My back is really sore.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay.
You reckon?
Yeah, you'll be fine. You'll be right.
So are you happy stopping? Oh, that is good actually. That is so good. Are you happy stopping?
Yeah, I'm happy stopping.
You don't feel like we've peaking?
No, well, I think we've been on the water long enough.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking, is there a better spot than this?
Well, we could go for a bit more of a paddle. Now we've found this one.
Yeah, I think we should just make this plan B our second spot. If we don't feel there's something better, but you know, we'll have a rest.
Paddle from here up to where the gorge starts, because that's where we know the last good spots can be.
Yeah, I think we've got to work out where we are on the river and just work out how far away Fossica's Flat is.
Well, it's at least 6 kilometres.
From here?
Yeah, because once you get in the gorge, it's 6 kilometres.
Yeah, but is this the gorge?
No, because there's no camping when you're in the gorge, because it's sheer up. We're not in the gorge yet.
Okay. Hang on.
At least we know we've got this, and then we go, see, if we go half an hour and I can't do any more, we can turn around again.
You see those spots over there? Yeah. That's over these spots over here. Okay.
What worries me as well is you've got to come do it all tomorrow as well.
Possibly there's still a long way to go. Right? So that's another, less than an hour. So,
we're there, we've come. We're over halfway looking at this. That's where we are.
no, we can just have a look at those spots
Alright, let's
there.
just go a bit further.
And then if we don't like it, we'll come back.
I'm just worried if we go all the way, I've got to do it all again back tomorrow.
Yeah.
I don't mind sort of going for another half an hour, see where we go.
See how they're quite close? So that looks like a whole bank to me.
Yeah.
It's pretty campable. You know, Attraction Creek.
Your phone is a bit shorter than mine, so it fits better in the bag. Smells like a pond on it, doesn't it?
Here we go. This is our camping spot. Now you signed the agreement, so you have to be on camera. Copy it. Your liability. A waiver. Canoe, water, swim. So we said, so whatever happens, you can't let go of the camera. No, I hope not anyway. We'll find out. He's been here before.
I was going to say, no, he's done it, hasn't he? He's done all of this.
He's one of those people that, he'll go into details and just keep you there, because he'll extend the conversation out. So it takes like an hour. Go through all the pros and cons.
Heaven. All that rowing, all that kayaking.
You don't have to get grumpy.
I do when my back. I was getting really overheated, I could feel it.
God, it's deep. I can't even stand here.
That's what Laura was saying, all the banks are really deep.
Yeah. But, I grew up on a river like this, the Shoalhaven River, further down where you ski at, and it's like that, as soon as you get out. So when you ski, you just got to step a couple of feet off, and then you can do a beachy. And then with the boat, you just jump in and ski.
It would be nicer here, it would be so easy. Because you could do one night, you could do stuff and then you just kayak off in the day and come back.
Yeah, we could do 2 nights and check out the rapids. And,
that wouldn't do the rapids.
No, but up to the rapids.
Up to the rapids, yeah. It would be really interesting to know how far it is, like how far into we get. Although we've got a good mark because we've got the toilet up there.
If we had the recycling filtered water system that I didn't bring.
Or if you bought the other 4 litres. No, my back was really suffering. And it's not just, and it is very hot to be doing too much.
Yeah, but you just got to stay cool, just keep conscious about your temperature and your body. Just wet your hat. Yeah, like you don't want to do your hair, but
I only washed it last night.
Yeah, but that's not the point.
want my hair to look nice for you. I got my hot date tonight with my reconstituted honey soy
I've got to turn this off.
Okay, this is our campsite. First landed on the beach down there. Put up tent and we had a bit of a walk around and we found a better spot just up here. This is about 10 kilometres away from Tallowa Dam, and it's well established. There's been generations of people camping here. It's nice in shelter from the rain. It's even got drop toilets. Julian has said that they're clean, which is quite amazing. Bring your own toilet paper, apparently.
Take it with you, it doesn't want it.
You've got natural toilet paper there if you want to use it, or ones that fly around like that. But they're hard to get, and you got to wipe twice with those. The grill here, and sign. No chainsaws, no littering. Tree branches may fall. Okay, fair enough. And got a little bit of clouds up ahead. But apart from that, it's a perfect spot. Okay, catch you later. Hey, second day on the river. Just passing some campers. Beautiful day, not a breeze in the air at all. Just so calm, dead calm. You know, we had a touch of rain, but we've got the sun coming out, cresting over the tops of the gorge. Beautiful sight. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe the sun might be affecting the camera. Here we go. Alright, put a towel on. Can you just steer the boat?
I'm getting sidetracked. Try not to come too close.
We don't want to get too close to those campers because you just put a towel around him. I think he's a nudist camp here. Or maybe this corner of the river is exclusively for nude bathing. Don't blame, there's no one here.
Not like we had our clothes on all the time. Sorry, you still recording?
Yeah, of course. Is that a rope?
Where?
The Tarzan swings off there. See it? The rope?
Oh yeah. It's a very high rope.
Oh, nice one.
I think it's broken. Morning!
It's alright. I got it on camera. Yeah, I got a telescopic one. Yeah.
Look out.
It'll be on YouTube. Outback dreaming. Sorry? Yeah,
Awesome.
really good. Yeah, awesome one.
It even had toilets. Yeah. Not one with toilets.
Too much information. Bye.
Yeah, ours was better than that one in here. They're on sand.
There's a waterfall up there. And there's one, you want to go closer to the waterfall? You know that little creek? It's a freshwater stream, about 9 kilometres away from the dam. It's a really good clear water. You can fill up your water bottle. We just fill it up with our, from the river and boil our water. It's fine. But I saw this on the way up, and
A lot of submerged
yeah,
trees.
yeah. And there's a couple of trees in the way, and it's a bit hard to get in close to fill up your bottle, but that's about the clearest water around here to fill up. Okay. Just came back.
Huh?
Just came back. Just put it on the GoPro.
I can't hear what
You're on video.
Oh, there we go. You want to put it up?
Yeah. Hang on.